In our previous video, we learned the story of the first part. Today, we will read the next part of the story. During this period, I hope that you have learned the spelling and read out the story at your home. Now, let's start reading the next part of the story. Soon, they met a pigeon. The myna asked the pigeon, "Where can I find some water to drink? I am thirsty." The pigeon said, "I am thirsty too. Come, let's fly around and look for water." So, in the first part, we saw that parrot and myna both were thirsty and they flew around to find water, but they could not get water from anywhere. Then they met the pigeon. It was also very thirsty and it was flying to find water also. So the pigeon also said to myna and the parrot to fly around to find water. They flew around but could not find water anywhere. Suddenly they saw a sparrow. The sparrow's feathers were all wet. The myna said, "Where did you find water for a bath? We can't even find water to drink. Oh, I'm so thirsty." And she began to cry. So they flew around and could not find water because they could not find any pond, any river, any water body. Then they met a sparrow whose feathers were all wet. Where did the sparrow get the water? They could not find water from anywhere. So they asked the sparrow for water. The sparrow said, "Don't cry, come with me." She took them to a garden. In the garden, there was a big bowl of water. The sparrow said, "A little boy fills the bowl with water every day. He fills it for birds to drink. He loves birds." Then sparrow told them, "Don't cry, don't worry, come with me." Then the sparrow took them to a garden. In the garden there was a bowl that was filled with water. And it was filled by a little boy, the sparrow told them. Because the boy loves birds, so he filled the bowl with water so that the bird can drink from the bowl. The myna, the parrot and the pigeon were very happy. They flew down to the bowl, sat on the ring and drank their fill. After finding bowl of water, all the birds were very happy. Why? Because now they can drink water. তারা তাদের তৃষ্ণাটা মেটাতে পারবে, সেই জন্য তারা জলটা দেখে খুব খুশি হয়েছিল। And they sat on the ring. Ring means the outer border of a round thing. কোনো গোল জিনিসের চারধার। So they sat on the ring of the bowl and drank water, and they were very happy. So this is the whole story. Now take a pencil and underline the hard words. Underline the word suddenly. Suddenly means all of a sudden, হঠাৎ করে. Now underline the word feathers. Feathers means পাখি পালক. Then underline the word began. Began means started. In our previous video, I told you that the whole story is narrated in the past form. So the verbs that are used in this story are also in past form. Began means আরম্ভ করেছিল is the past form of the word begin. Begin means arambo kora. Now underline the word little. Underline the word little, which means small. And then underline the word ring. I already told you, ring means outer border of a rounded thing. So you know what you have to do. You have to read the story at your home again and again, and you have to learn the spellings also. Here, one thing I want to tell you, that what lesson do we get from the story? See, here we can see that a little boy, he fills the bowl with water so that birds can drink water from the bowl. So this act we can also practice at our home. We can do the same thing. We can give our leftover food to the animals, to the birds, so that they can eat. We can give them water so that they can drink in summer. So we should be kind to birds and animals. Okay. Now your homework is learning the spellings and reading the story very well. That's all for today. You have already got study materials on this story. I hope you will go through all the study materials. Hope to meet you soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.